Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox the Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop. We will also discuss about the specification of laptop in video, and the price is just $345. If you want to buy this laptop, go to description and open the link. So let's start the video.
But is it really that good? Or there is a catch somewhere? Those who don't know the Acer, this is a company that acquired the legendary Commodore PC in 1993. Today's Acer Aspire series of notebooks are known for affordable price and good performance. The A350 and 53 follows that style, placing a Intel Core i3 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 GB SSD drive into sophisticated chassis that are sure to draw comparison to many more expensive laptops. So, this is a pretty much original box. Let's give it a look. As someone once said, you only unbox something once. Something that has once been unboxed can never be boxed again, because it's previously been unboxed. Inside the box, you will find the all-important documents, along with the charger. Where are the days when there was a lot of stuff in the box of laptops? When it comes to design, the Aspire features delicate horizontal hairline brushed elastic shell, both on the lid and inside on the cable tray. The new A350 bears some similarity to its predecessor, which itself was enhanced with brighter Full HD display. If you look close enough, you will find a very special detail below the screen. This is a friendly reminder that you enroll in one or more fancy classes, just in case you forgot. Moving around to the inputs, on its left side, the Aspire 3 has a card reader, USB-A, HDMI and Internet ports. The right side is little minimalistic, but it still has two USB slots, audio and power input. The Full HD screen resolution keeps text and graphics looking razor sharp, giving you average off-angle viewing. It's nice that Acer used a very special comfy manufacturing process that eliminates reflection on the LCD. But the 15-inch TN screen only supports 65% of the core gamut, and that's not very good. It's dimmer according to the light meter test, around 212 nits, which is not enough for comfortable use in direct sunlight. Unfortunately, the viewing angles are still limited, so just slightly tilting the screen quickly darkens the contrast and colors.
You could not live with your own failure.
The touchpad is accurate and comfort, but its position is not universal, so it's still best to connect wireless mouse if you want to click faster. We appreciate the full number on an Acer's keyboard, but the typing experience is still average. The keys have a slightly rough surface. The keyboard is looking spacious, though it leaves a lot of space for bigger keys, something thick finger users will come to appreciate. The system performs smoothly and without a problem. Listening to the music videos on A315 was a very exciting experience. Well, if you compare it to smartphone speakers. The music from speakers easily fills the room with soft and clear sound, certainly good enough for an unplanned hardcore jazz party.
Where's the Avengers? We gotta finish this. You trust me?
For a budget mainstream laptop, the dual-core CPU, 8 GB of RAM and SD drive in the Acer A315 performed well, with some tabs open in web browser which was streaming YouTube video, and Office Writer in the background. There wasn't lag when scrolling and switching between programs. We don't expect any surprises from the Intel HD graphics card. This computer wasn't meant for gaming. Its integrated GPU is good only for light web gaming or older PC games. On the battery test, which involves continuously surfing the web over Wi-Fi, the 2-cell battery lasted 6 hours. but it should last up to 8 hours when all settings are in eco mode. That's a little longer than the category average. The Acer A315 is a light and effective laptop for home use. It delivers a solid but not a spectacular performance by way of its processor. Maybe it's not the loudest, and it does not shine bright enough for effective work in direct sunlight, but the screen is still very sharp. Despite having average inputs and a minimalistic keyboard, the Acer A350 still does have a lot going for it. So we can say that it's a good buy for everyday use.